Hey guys, I have a special announcement to make. But before that, if you are new to this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to click the notification bell icon to receive further updates. So a lot of you guys have been sending me your sketches and renders. While I have been giving suggestions and feedbacks for most of them, I feel that instead of just typing, how about I create a video and show you what can be done. So I plan to create videos where I'll take your sketch or renders and show you what can be done to improve them. If you would like me to feature your work in my videos, then send the images to contactsrkdesigns@gmail.com. Make sure you mention your name and place where you are from. If you would like me to mention your Instagram ID or YouTube channel, share that as well. I hope to see you in the new video soon. Till then, stay safe.